Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going over the hometown vendor market, what my experience was, pros, cons, do's, don'ts, maybe some tips for those people who are looking to go to vendor markets but don't know what to bring or how to get started. So let's get started. So number one, I would definitely recommend getting there early. The main reason for this is so that you can set up on time. So what I did, and I learned from this, is I got there late. I was supposed to be there at 8:30, and I ended up getting there around 9:30, 10 o'clock. The mall didn't open until 11 o'clock, but still, when I was setting up at 10:45, there were customers there looking to buy, and I was missing sales because I was not prepared before 11 o'clock, or I didn't get there at the time I was supposed to, long story short. So do not do what I did. If you're scheduled to be there at 8:30, even though the event starts at 11, get there at 8:30 because you're only hurting yourself and your sales. Number two, I would definitely recommend having all forms of payment. So your Cash App, your Venmo, your Zelle, cash. Make sure you have a cash box. If you don't, people that have cash and want to pay with cash won't be able to. Have like a Square machine as well so that you can be able to take your payments through the Square app. Another thing that you guys want to be mindful of is how many people are actually behind your booth. So what I noticed is when I had 3 or more behind my booth, nobody was really coming around. And if they are coming around, they were only primarily talking to 1 or 2 people. It wasn't like 4 people were going to be talking to them or working at the same time. Now, granted, we did get a little bit busy at times, but those were mainly the times when I had 1 or 2 people behind my booth. So take that information, do with it as you please, but I definitely recommend only keeping 1 to 2 people behind your booth, maximum of 3 if needed. But people really like the intimacy of being able to talk to just that one person that is promoting the brand, the other person that's probably taking payments or getting the order together. Now, from my experience for the hometown market, I did not know what to expect. I noticed that there wasn't many reviews on the hometown markets, or at least I couldn't find any. And I was kind of nervous because I signed up for both days, Saturday and Sunday, at a mall that I never been to, and I was not knowing what to expect. I didn't know how many people actually still go to the mall these days and if there would be a great turnout or not. So it was actually better than expected. And what I mean by that is the customers were so nice. They were so intrigued to learn more about my company, Lavish Leaf. They were so intrigued to learn more about loose leaf tea. Okay, so it was like no in between really. It was either the people that were avid tea drinkers and love tea, or it was the people that were coffee drinkers and didn't know anything about tea. Or it was the people that drank tea, but they drank teas like Lipton and they didn't have any idea what loose leaf tea is. So I got an opportunity to share my brand and my company with all sorts of people. And actually, I had a really great experience where this one guy came up and he was such like against tea. Like he was just like, oh, I don't drink tea. I drink coffee every morning and I dip my he said I dip something. I dip my bread in coffee, and I'm like, okay, that's great, you know. And so then we offered him a sample, and it was the golden pineapple, and he tried it, and he was so, I mean, his mood went from this to this. And we got to physically see the change on his face. and feel the demeanor change after he tried that golden pineapple. And it was an amazing experience to be able to share something like that with someone, because now we have opened up a whole new door for him, and maybe he will become a returning customer in the future. But it's opportunities like this that you'll get to experience when you go to markets and you actually start putting yourself out there for the world to see you. It's great to be digital, and it's great to be, online, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. But when people can physically see your product themselves and taste it and feel it and be there with you to experience the product and experience how you feel about your product, it makes the game so much better, and it makes everything so much more personal for you and the customer. So I definitely recommend markets. I am going to be at another market this July, actually July 5th, Sunny Markets. It's going to be in Tremont, Ohio. And I am so excited to get out and see you guys. This is going to be the first time that Lavish Leaf has actually sold iced teas. So we are so excited to start that and for you guys to try the tea without it being hot. It's going to be ice cold tea, and I'm super excited to meet everybody and see everybody again. And yeah, I just wanted to come on and share my experience with you guys. If you guys have any more questions or you just want to reach out, feel free to, make your comments. If you guys are going to be at another market this year, definitely comment where you're going to be at below so that we can see that and we can actually get out and meet each other. So I am so happy again to be a part of the hometown markets and to have that experience. And I'm looking forward to Sunny Markets this July 5th. So I will see you there, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye, guys.